Welcome to the Gulf Cove Roundup. Here we are with our only move-in ready home at the moment. Others are in progress, but this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home, 1,499 square feet, ready to go. Just need you to pack your bags, come on down. Let's take a quick peek. 5521 Gillette, it's yours. This model boasts tile throughout, carpet in the bedrooms. Bedroom 1, guest bath, bedroom 2. Off to the right of the aisle we have bedroom 3, laundry, washer dryer included in this house. And great room kitchen. Appliances included, fridge, range hood, disposal, dishwasher. Master with shower, walk-in closet, ready to go. Stop by 5521 Gillette Boulevard, Port Charlotte, ready to go. Just need to pack your bags and you'll be home in paradise. We hope to see you soon. Give me a call, 941-681-0444, or stop by the model at 14386 San Domingo Boulevard, representing both Gulf Cove and South Gulf Cove. Talk to you soon. Welcome, neighbor. Coming soon, 5393 Gillette Boulevard. Freeport model, 4 bedrooms, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Weekly update. Coming along, got sheetrock, bedroom, guest bath, bedroom, garage, 3rd bedroom, washer and dryer, master bath and bathroom, walk-in closet, kitchen to be, make it yours. 5242 Crestline Terrace. This one has its septic in. Coming along. A little bit further along, we got our doors in on this one. Still waiting for tile and carpet in the bedrooms. Kitchen's tiled. Cabinets are in. Hey, this one could be your winter hideaway. One, 2, 392 Prudential. Moving along. It also has its septic in. Let's take a sneak peek inside. This one looks like it just has a sheetrock up. Cabinets need to be installed there in the garage. Let's keep on looking. 5488 Brussels Terrace has just had its slab poured. Ready for another Freeport. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Or should we say 3-bedroom plus a flex room, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. Nice quiet area. It could be yours. Welcome to 12104 Patterson Avenue. Another Freeport in the early stages, slab. Wow, going to be interesting to follow this one from the ground up. Come on down. Paradise is affordable down in Gulf Cove, Port Charlotte, Florida. Hope to see you soon. Welcome, neighbor. Thank you for the Gulf Cove Roundup, 11/30/2019. We've got a bunch of Freeports coming in various stages of construction. Those are the 4-bedroom or 3-bedroom plus a flex room, 2-car garage, 2-bathroom. Welcome to Gulf Cove in your Southwest Florida, your Paradise affordable alternative. Thank you.